Hello everyone. Today I will show you step by step how to disconnect your Hisense Smart TV from Wi-Fi. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. If you want to keep your streaming activity private or change your online location, NordVPN is a great option to use when you connect your TV to the internet again. The Hisense VA Smart TV allows disconnection from a Wi-Fi network, but there is no direct button to log off. From the home screen, pressing the home button if not already there, navigate to the top menu and select Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Connection, then select Network, followed by Network Configuration. This will display the current Wi-Fi connection page. There is no built-in option to disconnect from the current network except by switching to a different Wi-Fi network. If another network is not available, a workaround can be used. Open the current Wi-Fi network settings, bring up the keyboard, and delete a few characters from the saved password. Attempting to reconnect with the altered password will result in a failed connection. The TV will then display "Password incorrect, can't connect," and will be disconnected from the Wi-Fi network. This method is currently the only known way to turn off, sign out, or disconnect from a Wi-Fi network on this TV without connecting to a different one. If you want more control over your streaming access when you go back online, consider connecting through a router with NordVPN installed so you can enjoy more shows and better privacy. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your Hisense Smart TV secure and open to more streaming content.